Hello guys, you're welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man. This is Crazy Visuals in Pixel on YouTube. On today's video, we're going to be learning how to create this PalmPay logo using just PIXELLAB. Okay, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can create this using PIXELLAB. And if this is your first time joining our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe and turn on your notifications to see more of our videos anytime we drop them. So let's get started. First of all, I need to create a new workspace and then get rid of the new text on my screen, and then I will go here and then import the image that I have sketched. Okay, and you know, like I always say, before you make a logo, the sketch is always the first thing you have to take note of. Okay? So you can just begin to practice how to make a sketch, and then with time you just get used to it. So I will just crop it, and then here I'm just going to rotate it, and then here I have it. Okay, so I will do one more thing. I'm going to reduce the opacity so that I can see clearly what I'm vectorizing, right? So I always do this thing every time I want to vectorize logo. If you have watched my video tutorials before, you will see that I always do this. So, and then this is the first step. Then now I'm going to click and then select my BEIZER, then select my transformation, and then select my closing rope. Okay, so that I will have this loop cross like this. So here, from here, I'm going to start vectorizing. So just follow me out step by step. I always do this. So I won't be using voice note, but I will make it a slow and then very easy to understand video. So let's get started. Thank you. So this is what we get at the end of the day. You can see that it is as easy as it can be, okay? And we created this logo now using just the Snapseed under a couple of minutes. So if this video helped, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on your notification to see more of our videos like this anytime we drop it, okay? Thank you for watching, thank you for liking our video, thank you for sharing our video, thank you for commenting. We really appreciate you. Goodbye from here. See you guys on my next video.